Hello all, welcome back to your English learning class with Manpreet Kaur. That time in my last video we did adjectives. We did adjectives and its types. So I told you that in my next video I'll be covering degrees of comparison, means comparison of adjectives. In short, let me tell you what are adjectives. Adjectives are the qualities, adjectives are the words, characteristics that are given to the pronouns or the nouns. Okay, like she is a pretty girl. So pretty is an adjective. He is a strong boy. Strong is an adjective. Okay, now today we are going to do degree of comparison. Means how to compare. If we are giving a quality to one thing, it means from there only comparison has been started. So how these comparisons can be classified? See, first let's start with this example. Tom is a strong boy. Jack is a strong boy. Sam is a strong boy. Now I have written this. Is a strong boy, is a strong boy, is a strong boy. Although these all three are strong boys. But some in this case, one might be the stronger than this one, or this must be the strongest one. There must be any comparison because these all cannot be same, because qualities cannot be the same in everyone. In you there must be something else quality, and in mine there something must be else quality. Hai na? The qualities are always different. They are always compared. So if I write it like this, Tom is a strong boy. Then Jack is stronger than Tom. Jack is stronger. So what we added? ER. What we added? ER. And also what? One more thing we added, that is than. That is than with the this word noun, with the first noun. Okay. And then if I'm doing writing the third one, I'll be writing Sam is the strongest. Strongest. So I'm writing EST. EST of all and plus the. Just keep in mind, this the is written in this superlative degree, and in this comparative degree it's written than. In comparative degree, only two things are compared with one another. Just keep in your mind, this one is the comparative degree and this one EST one is the superlative degree. And in comparative degree, only two things are compared. Just keep in your mind, if one thing is compared with other thing, then what we will be using? Comparative degree. If one thing is compared with everyone in the whole class or in the whole universe, in every world, full world, then which we will use? We will be using superlative degree. Okay? So, there are some rules. Then where to add ER and where to add EST, how to add, in which word we will add. So, no need to learn that rules. I am giving you some rules, just understand them, and like this you can be able to solve the things. Okay, so let's start it. See, rule number 1. Most adjectives of one syllable, in the adjectives of one syllable, we will be adding ER and EST. In comparative, we will be adding ER. In comparative, we will be adding ER, and in superlative, we will be adding EST. But now, you will ask me a question. Ma'am, what is the meaning of one syllable? I haven't understood. Good question. See, one syllable means what? As if these are the words. First understand, these are the words. In this word, which one is the first word? Dark. What I have added? ER. What I have added? ER. Spelling is the same. I have just added dark plus ER. It became darker in comparative degree. And superlative degree, again Dark is the same. And what I have added? est. So it became darkest. Cold, again er, est. Colder, coldest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Young, younger, youngest. High, higher, highest. Why I was opening my mouth? Am I teaching phonics? No. I'm just going to tell you the meaning of syllable. But how by opening my mouth? Just understand this thing. If in these words, when we give a reading to a word, when we pronounce a word, if we divide the word into two, like beautiful. How am I reading? How you read a word? If it is beautiful is given, you will be reading na beautiful. You will divide the words into three and then join and then read. Okay. But in this word, what was there? Dark. Nothing. I haven't joined anything. Dark, cold, strong. Only once I have opened my mouth and pronounced the word. That's it. That means one syllable. Young, high means understand in a short way when opening a mouth at one point of time, only at once. That is one syllable. Okay. Now let's start with the rule number 2. Now the rule number 2 is what? See, I have written the explanation for the rules over here, so you can go through these also. When the positive here means these words. These are the positive words and these comparative and this one are the superlative. When the positive word ends with what? E. Ends with E. Then what we will do? We will just add R and ST. The word will remain the same and we will just add R. We will just add what? R. Larger and braver, finer, wiser. Okay, we are just adding what? R. Okay. Now, if the word is ending with E, then we will just add here ST. We were ending it with EST, but if in the word itself has E, so we will just add the rest of the things that are ST. Okay, so we will add here ST. Okay, understood? Now next rule number 3. Rule number 3 is what? See, we will read the explanation of this rule. Positive, again positive means this one, these words ends in Y. If the positive words end with what? Y. Then what you will do? And is preceded by Y is changed into I. And it will, if this Y will be changed into I before adding ER and EST. What we were adding from the beginning? ER and EST. But if the word has Y, so what we will do? We will first remove Y. We will remove Y like this. Heavy. I have removed Y. Cut this Y and we will add I. Then you will add the words ER and EST. ER and EST. We will just remove Y from every word and we will add ER, EST. We have just added I. Add I and put EST. Add I, put EST. Add I, put EST. Add I, put ER. Add I, put ER. Add I, put ER. Remove Y. If we will add I, we will remove this Y and we will add I, like heavy, heavier, heaviest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Okay, let's move to the 4th rule now. Now what's the 4th rule? Just look here very carefully. The last consonant is doubled Last consonant is doubled if a word of one syllable. These are also the words of one syllable. Big, fat, hot. These are the one syllable. If these are ending in a single consonant and is preceded by a short vowel. It is preceded by a short vowel. A, I, O. These are preceded with a short vowel. Then what we will do? We will double these letters like big. I'll just put one more G, then ER. Put one more T, then ER. Put one more T, then ER. Means big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Got it? I hope all these are clear. Okay, you can take a screenshot for revision in the next time also. Now let's move to the rule number 5. Let's move to the rule number 5. What does the rule number 5 says? Rule number 5 says that if a word has more than 2 similes, then we will add more and most to the word. Like see, beautiful. Now you'll get to know better what the syllable is. Syllable is when I am saying beautiful. Means I am breaking the words into 2, 3. That is a syllable. Means we will add more and most. More in the comparative degree and most in the superlative degree. So if it is beautiful, then we will add more beautiful in the comparative degree, and in the superlative we will add most beautiful. Important, more important. Important will remain the same. We will just add more and most. Most important. Useful, more useful, most useful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Careful, more careful, most careful. Okay. Now I haven't added beautifuler, beautifulest. See how it weirds look now. If I am saying beautifuler, she is very beautifuler than her. No, it's not good. So what I'll say, she is more beautiful than her when I'm comparing two girls. If I'm comparing full class, she is the most beautiful girl in the class. Means I'm comparing everybody. From everybody I'm comparing that girl. Okay. So I'm not adding beautifuler, beautifulest. We are just adding more and most to make it as a comparative and superlative degree of comparison. Okay. I hope this one is clear. Let's move to the last one. In this, what you have to do? These are irregular. These are irregular adjectives, and this will be compared irregularly. Their comparative and the superlative degrees are not formed from positive degrees. Means you have to just learn these. Okay, in short, you have to learn these. Like bad, we are not saying better, baddest. We will be saying worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Late, later, latest. In this, you have to learn these, and these are irregular adjectives. Okay. So I hope degree of comparison in adjective is clear to you all. You can just go through it once again to make it more clear. I'll be sharing a full-fledged video with the exercises and the worksheets of all these grammar. So it was all for the today's session. If you like this session, please like my videos and subscribe my channel, and do share it with your friends, near and dear ones, so that they can also learn these things. Okay then, bye bye. See you in my next video. So stay tuned for the same.